vast majority of seniors want to spend as many years as they can living at home, and senior helpers can do so many things that help seniors stay in their homes longer. Shandy's here to talk about one way that might be on your mind now as we advance here, hopefully getting a little warmer, spring cleaning time.
Sure, yeah, and that's where we come in. As we know, throughout the natural aging process, everyday tasks can get a little more difficult to accomplish. Even general housekeeping can be burdensome. And again, that's where our caregivers can come in and provide some light housekeeping, maybe a little spring cleaning, and help your loved one and keep them in a safe, healthy, clean environment.
So a lot of folks would think, well, there are people that actually clean homes. What's the difference when senior helpers does it?
Well, what's unique about our caregivers is they can provide multiple services at a time. We don't go room per room or anything like that. We can multitask. So let's say there's a corner in one of the rooms that's gotten a little cluttered over the winter months. They can help organize that, maybe get rid of some things that you don't need anymore, all while still accomplishing other things. But throughout, they really focus on conversation and companionship.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. There's a relationship there.
There's a relationship.
So, you know, it's the what's this, or tell me more about this, and just it's kind of an engaging thing and not just how fast can we get this house clean. It is, and that's what we work on, is building a relationship with one another, and that's really what sets us apart. And so that relationship then can come in handy maybe down the road when mom or dad, grandma or grandpa needs even more help, right? Absolutely, absolutely. We can come in and provide personal care. We can help if you have to go on vacation and you want us to come and visit and keep them company while you're gone. So what is the best way to start the process to get to know senior helpers? Well, you can call us and we do a free in-home consultation. We come out, we get to know you, we meet you, and then we see what services you need and how we can help. So, and how, I guess, you know, it's customizable, your services. Absolutely. The minimum, the maximum, what are we talking about? So we have a minimum 2 hour, but that can be once a month, up to 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It really is geared specifically towards what your need is. And then do you try to match the caregiver to the clients? Absolutely, absolutely. We have a great pool of caregivers. And when we meet you and get to know you, we already have in mind who would be fantastic to pair you with. Because we do. That's what it's about, is the relationship. And I hate to think that, you know, you're not spying on mom or dad, but you're going to give some feedback, hopefully, to you know, the other people, their loved ones, I would assume, when the you know, spring cleaners go into the house. Absolutely, absolutely. It's a great way to have someone else in and someone else around. If you can't be there all the time, sort of a second pair of eyes to say, you know, maybe they need a little extra help here or a little extra help there, something they wouldn't maybe tell you on their own. Yeah. Because I think that's so many times is that it's, you know, no one wants to admit, and sometimes you don't even realize how far behind you've become in these day-to-day tasks. Yeah, and that's the thing. You don't even realize it sometimes. And so we can come in and look around and say, you know, you asked us to do the dishes, but again, here's this little corner. Maybe we could go through this together and take care of that for you. How often do people call on their own? Do they realize that they need help and it's not a child or a loved one calling on behalf of someone else? It's probably 50-50. Yeah, okay. It is. It's probably 50-50 where someone will give a call and say, you know, I seen your website, or I seen your TV segment, and I would love that service. Yeah. Again, the whole idea is to stay in your home longer. Senior helpers, that's what they do. Senior helpers. If you'd like to give them a call, the number is 633-2005. Call Senior Helpers of Fort Wayne. We'll be right back on Insight.